Starting around 11 November 2023, Cardano really is exchanging at 38 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.6% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which basically is genuinely huge in a sort of significant manner. ADA basically truly has a pretty truly all-out market cap of $13,402,175, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $518,859,938 in a pretty huge manner in an unpretentious way. This by and large really makes Cardano, ADA, lovely positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, which for the most part generally is genuinely critical, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano for the most part by and large be very worth in 2023 in a significant manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Cardano a kind of wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner, which is very huge? Will ADA value in a real sense outperform its record-breaking reasonably exceptionally high in a significant manner and a fundamentally huge manner? These basically are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which basically in a real sense is genuinely huge. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost especially is supposed to really truly cross a kind of normal value level of 41 cents. The normal essentially least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to be 40 cents in a significant manner, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Besides, ADA can for the most part certainly arrive at an extremely in every way that really matters, greatest value level of 43 cents, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking, or so they thought. Cardano value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the really most extreme cost for Cardano could explicitly stretch around 41 cents, which explicitly truly is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in November 2023 basically essentially is 36 cents, with a beautiful typical cost of 40 cents in a lovely huge manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano, ADA, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Cardano certainly explicitly is basically in a real sense anticipated to really arrive at an entirely normal cost of 41 cents. While the coin could exchange between a reasonably truly limit of 43 cents and a very essentially least of 40 cents in a especially enormous manner. Cardano actually by and large past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been actually commonly diminished by 0.83% in its truly current worth, which especially shows that will ADA cost explicitly truly outperform its untouched actually quite high in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we explicitly basically analyze the very current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can for the most part in a real sense see that the market cap basically is likewise down, or so they explicitly thought, which all things considered is very huge. From truly most recent 7 days the ADA in a real sense was an actually genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 16.3%, which basically is very critical, or so they thought. Cardano has shown extremely lovely exceptionally impressive by and large fundamentally potential of late, and this could be certainly great chance to especially for the most part dive right in and contribute, showing how ADA generally in a real sense has a very all-out market cap of $13,402,175 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $518,859,938. Inside the in every practical sense, for the most part most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA in every practical sense basically diminished by 15.198%, killing an incredible reasonably normal amount of $0.068 from its truly current worth in a certainly large manner in a significant manner. This unexpected down generally in every practical sense implies that the coin basically fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a reasonably decent, most certainly purchase an open door for decently essentially speedy venture, which all things considered, in every practical sense, is genuinely huge in an unpretentious way. The 90 days cost change explicitly is around 0.05%, and the cost truly flowed from a very in every practical sense, least fundamentally normal cost of 37 cents to super greatest especially normal cost of 39 cents in the kind of sort of beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner, which truly is genuinely huge. In fundamentally genuinely most recent 4 months Cardano generally has shown a developing pattern, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which certainly is very huge. Hence, we for the most part truly believe that comparable pieces of the market actually essentially were very famous at that period, which for the most part is very critical, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. As indicated by the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano by and large basically is expanded from 4 months, showing how consequently we basically feel that comparative pieces of the market truly generally were very famous at that period, or so they for the most part certainly thought. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, showing how besides ADA can for the most part really arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 43 cents in every practical sense, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking in a by and large significant manner. The coin most certainly in every practical sense is up by 29.16% with the decently truly greatest pretty certainly normal cost of the coin truly was around 27 cents and the by and large least extremely lovely typical cost of especially really was around 26 cents in every way that really matters, especially beyond 4 months in a sort of significant manner in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will by and large for the most part be Cardano in every practical sense, lovely worth in 2023, which actually by and large is very critical, which basically is genuinely huge. The ADA cost generally especially is gauged to basically truly arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 43 cents, with actually genuinely least cost of 40 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner in a genuinely significant way. Does Cardano basically explicitly have a future, which basically in every way that really matters is genuinely critical amazingly? As far as value, Cardano fundamentally truly has an extraordinary truly lovely potential to explicitly basically arrive at new levels, extremely further appearance. How does Cardano entirely have a future, which by and large especially is very huge incredibly? It certainly for the most part is estimate that ADA will increment in esteem, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. As indicated by beautiful essentially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Cardano can especially stir things up around town, outright kind of the greatest cost of $15.19 till 2030, or so they explicitly thought, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Cardano certainly beautiful worth purchasing in 2023, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking in a truly significant manner? Cardano's worth by and large is supposed to generally keep on extending, as